Unlocking the beauty of the sun kana, the world's most dazzling parrot. The sun kana, ablaze with color, is a living masterpiece. Its fiery plumage radiates like a sunlit stained glass window. These birds don't just shine in looks, they have dynamic personalities. Known for their sociability and intelligence, they make excellent companions. Sun kanas are also known for their distinctive, loud call. This quality, while captivating, reinforces their tropical charm and allure. Their beauty extends to their behavior. Sun kanas display a playful nature and acrobatic antics, making them truly entertaining pets. These birds are majestic in flight. Their vibrant colors and swift movements embody the perfect blend of elegance and energy.